I'm Tiffany Lee. I work at the University of Kentucky Sanders Brown Center on Aging, and I am the lab manager for Dr. Wilcock's lab. The broad spectrum is Alzheimer's disease. Our main focus is vascular dementia and inflammation, and hopefully in the long run we will see some kind of results that can help us lead to a therapy or a cure. Going into college, I was actually my plan was to be an athletic trainer. I wasn't planning on going into research. And through my 4 years of college, I got the opportunity to work in a few research studies, not in the field of Alzheimer's or medical so much as it was biomechanical, but it was still really interesting to me. So when I graduated, instead of going towards athletic training, I applied for a lab position, and that's how I got my start. I use a broad spectrum of things because I have my hands in a little bit of everything in the lab. So I work with the microscope to look at staining we do on brain tissue, just to see what's going on, take pictures, analyze what we see with staining. I've been working in research for 10 years now. I started out bottom tier as just a lab technician doing grunt work, just everyday monotonous, pipetting or, going down to the animal room and giving them food, And I've worked my way through up to the position I'm in now, and I get to do all kinds of different research in the lab. I've got publications that I'm the first author on. I get to present at meetings. So the technique that I will be showing you is the steps into Western blotting. So what I have is a gel that I'm going to put tissue samples from animals into, and it will run down through the gel through electrophoresis. And the end product is that I'll be able to transfer it onto a membrane and attach antibodies to it, and it'll show me if the protein is expressed or not. I hope that one day we can eventually cure Alzheimer's disease, but we have a long way to go before we get there. But even in the nearer future, if we can even find therapies that can better treat the disease and help those that are struggling with it to be able to even function a little bit better, that's the biggest goal, is the quality of life for these people, and hopefully down the road we can say we've completely cured it and nobody will have to deal with it. For someone considering a career in science, whether to be a technician or any other aspect, really the best thing to do is get involved. So if there's research studies you can be a part of, jump in. That's how I got my start, was being an actual subject in a study, and volunteer to be in a lab. Come in a couple hours a week and do some work, get some exposure, see if you like it, and if you do, that's a jumping off point to, for school and to get a job maybe.